All right, now we're going to talk about how to wire the splice box in the pump tank. All right, we use the black, white, and green for your pump, and we use the blues for the pump float and the reds for the alarm. And I always run my pump float, and alarm in like that. First, we'll hook up the alarm. Next will be your pump float. And your pump. Make sure you always use the waterproof wire connectors. All right, this is your pump wire, your pump float, and your alarm. I use the reds for the alarm, the blues for the pump, and the black, white, and green for the pump. Then you just fold your wires up and stick them down in and put your top on. If you leave your wires long, it makes it a little easier to shove them down, and it makes it a whole lot easier for us to work on if we ever have to service it. All right, now we're going to hook up the control panel end of it, and the pump, the low-level float, and the high-level float. So we had our reds for the high level, so we'll go ahead and hook them in. Then we'll hook up our low level, which is blues. White one goes on the neutral, and the black one goes on the hot. And I just tie my grounds together and hook them to the same low. And that's the total thing. First, the pump, the low level, and the high level. And if you have a UV, the disinfectant alarm will run the UV.